So as requested, I actually came with this video where I wanna show you how to actually figure out your texture on your face. So it's easy, and many people actually doesn't know or actually doesn't have that asset to actually do it. So they actually messed on the face and it doesn't look good. So I'm gonna actually guide you today for this. So this was the texture that I built last day, and it was actually in my project. So we're gonna start with this, and I'm gonna first show you in Photoshop what you need to do. So you first need to have this face asset, which is this one. And when you go here, you will get these textures. Yeah. So you can use it for other example, but I basically use this one. So you just take this and drag it to Photoshop, and you apply out here. So this opens, and you can see, so this is your texture and you can actually apply anywhere in this face. So I have this emoji pack, or first I'm gonna show you with this one. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna apply this. Okay, so this time I'm gonna do it a bit on my, well, I want it on my lips, right? So I'm gonna expand this. It out on my lips. So when you are done with it, so you close the background and you delete this texture. And when you got this and this, you need to actually save it. So let's save it. Save it as PNG because PNG is great. And I will not editing this guy. So you're done with here, and when you come to Spark again, and as you can see this texture, so I'm gonna change the texture. So this one I'm gonna import from my computer. As you can see, face female. Okay, I didn't. So I got this, and this is the material texture. In the last video, I taught what is it. So I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna change to this one, and you can see it's actually on my mouth right now. So you can, this is the way you can actually figure out the face structure, because as the face mesh you can see here, the face mesh actually is the same texture in the in this this one. So this is the same structure which actually is used by the face mesh of the Sparkar. So this is the way that you can actually do animation. So also I can go on further new project how to do more, right? So towards the next project, I'm gonna show you how to actually make it on the Photoshop, and I'm gonna make a emoji project. I just thought about it right now, and what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna make it right now, and you can actually follow it, or you can actually download it from my site where it is as listed for now. It's for a week or it's free, so you can download from there. So we will go to Photoshop and so as you see, there is emojis out here. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna add emojis. So let me quick do it fast, so you guys don't need to actually follow it up. So we're done with the mess, and what we're gonna do is first, this is the most important part, we're gonna delete the background texture, right? So we're gonna make it transparent and we're gonna save it. So I'm gonna save it as PNG. Okay. So I am done here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump back to Sparkar, okay? And what we're gonna do is first add a face mesh. So adding a face mesh, you see, and add a material, and go here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna import it. So our emoji. is our emoji, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to material, we're gonna assign emoji. Just to do the face. Okay, so you can see that it looks perfect and it looks good. It looks messed, but this is the trick that you actually figure out how to actually add the texture, how to actually 2D texture to your face, and this would help you. And all the files that I showed you would be actually listed on the side of me in the description of this YouTube video. And just same what you want to do. And the next video will be actually about animation. So till then,